Elsewhere, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, in partnership with the Association of Community Pharmacists of Nigeria in Akwa Ibom State, have seized expired drugs worth more than 460 million naira. Miriam Daniels has more.
The Association of Pharmacists says this is a significant step in promoting public health and build a safer pharmaceutical ecosystem. The chairman of the body in Akwa Ibom State describes discarding expired drugs as an urgent national responsibility. Mr. Anderson Tony lists the devastating effects of expired medications to include treatment failure, vital organs failure, including the dangerous practice of rebranding expired drugs with counterfeit expiry dates, exposing consumers to potential harm.
Tragically, unscrupulous individuals within the drug trade have been known to recycle expired drugs, rebranding them with counterfeit expiry dates, thereby exposing unsuspecting consumers to very toxic substances.
He further appeals to the government to grant a waiver for the forfeiture of expired drugs, as paying additional fees for the disposal is a financial burden that could discourage self-forfeiture efforts.
Such laws are not healthy. Having to lose a product, instead of you to be incentivized, instead of you to be encouraged, they will still scare you away with alarming administrative fee for forfeiture. That's where the problem lies.
If this is done by community pharmacists, there is a limit to where their powers can rest. And so it needs the state government to set up a task force to ensure that most of these other hospitals, most of the other pharmacies, drugstores, and the rest, they wipe out these counterfeit and fake drugs in circulation.
Let other stakeholders follow suit and do same by submitting their drugs or handing over their drugs, expired products or wholesome products to NAFDAC for destruction, because that's the right way to go.
The event also had the official handover of documentation from ACPN to the state coordinator of NAFDAC.
And these are expired, and these are one of the world's best HIV test kits, and you are diagnosing the person negative. Maybe the person is positive or otherwise.
This effort is intended to sanitize the state and the country's pharmaceutical space while safeguarding the lives and health of residents. Miriam Daniels, TVC News, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State.